Well, welcome. My name is Sandy, and I'm here to talk about a sewing guide that I have created. And it's these little things that have a place for your thumb, like this. And it has these little nicks and marks on it. They are equal distance. This one has a 3mm, and then this bigger one is a 5mm distance. What brought this project on is that my daughter was trying to learn how to sew, and she picked up my perfectionism, and she would not have continued trying to sew if I didn't create something for her. So I went into Tinkercad and designed this with just basic shapes. And well, before I even went and did that, I talked to a couple of ladies on campus that skin sew. And I wanted their input because I have my way of skin sewing, but it wasn't working for my daughters, so I had to get input from other people. And one recommended 5mm and the other recommended 3mm distance. And so that's where this idea came from. And what's really neat is that you can do this with the 3D printer, but with the Glowforge you can cut out your patterns. So we had a pattern downloaded for miniature mittens, and that's what we're going to show you how these work. I hope you enjoyed today. Tune in again for some other ideas.